Hi, Jim at OCRV here in Yorba Linda. Today we got a couple of specialty Sprinter vans that came in. One from Ibach and one from Mother's Market. This one didn't clear the overhead clearance on the way through, so we'll be replacing the roof panels up on the top here, removing the windshield, all the interior. It's one of those specialty vans that has to come to a shop like this to have repair because of the high roof on it. Over here we have the Mother's Market. Had a little accident, rear-ended somebody. We got a little bit of frame damage on both rails, which will require removing the engine. Very specialty work. Got to have the proper technicians and tools and equipment to do this kind of work here. We'll get some more photos later on in the repairs of having the engine out, have it up on the bench we have over there, the Silhouette, and front and rear suspension out of the vehicle, engine out. Do a little pull on it, and then put the engine back in to send it over to paint. Got another one over here that's waiting to get the engine put back in. Here's the engine sitting here on the stand here. So we'll check back in next week as the repairs progress on all three of these. There again, if you have any needs for your Sprinter vans, don't forget to call us at OCRVCenter.